Hello everybody. I did a Facebook post the other day about all the Mavic Mini comparisons. I said in the Facebook post, I said, you know, every time I turn on YouTube, there's always somebody comparing the Mavic Mini to something. And I made some comment about a space shuttle or the SR-71 Blackbird and all that crap. But then I got to thinking, hey, you know what? I'm missing out on this. I'm missing out on this comparison crap. So I came up with something. I am going to compare the Mavic Mini to a hard-boiled egg. Okay, so let's give that a shot. First thing we'll do is weigh it up. The Mavic Mini, my model that is, comes in at 248.7 grams. The hard-boiled egg, and it's an Eggland's Best. You know, this is the good eggs. These are like 3 times the price of those 89 cents a dozen crap eggs. But these things taste way better. Once you have one of these, you'll never eat one of them other ones again. Trust me. So the egg is at 57.5 grams shelled. So I would say the egg wins that hands down. Okay, hands down on that. Now we'll try to see what it tastes like. Get a little salt here. You know, I think the plastic that they make this Mavic Mini with is the same plastic they make my dentures out of. So it doesn't, you know, it doesn't taste very good. Not at all. Let's try the egg. I know it's rude to eat on camera, but there's only one way to do this. Delicious. Okay, so the hard-boiled egg. Hands down, beats the hell out of the Mavic Mini. There's no comparison in these two. The egg is spectacular. The Mini, has no taste at all. No flavor. All right, guys, there you go. Another Mavic Mini comparison in the books. I'll talk to you later.